So, nakikita ba niyo? Nakikita niyo?
Yes, sir.
So, from for our next topic is functions. So, functions, sa tingin niyo, based on the description, sa tingin niyo, paano natin magagamit yung function? So, a function is a block of codes which only runs when it is called. You can pass you can pass data known as parameters into a function. Functions are used to perform certain actions and they are important for you to define the code once and use it many times. So, kaya ano necessary natin gamitin ng functions? Anyone? Sa tingin niyo, paano natin magagamit yan ng functions in our in your final output? Alright? Anyone?
Para
Hello?
sir, pag tawag mo mag-calculate na lang para itong specific na ano,
So
specific na
now,
data.
yes, that's correct. That's correct. So,
Ay,
is if you have noticed on your line of codes which were presented last meeting, nakita ka mo may daka mo sinisaring didi nagsosort adihin data, adi sir para ascending, adi sir para descending. So, you can use it not only once but multiple times. You can just set it as function. Sigun it iyo descend ascending loop is ubutangan niyo yung function name na ascending. Then tatawagon nila niya iya tapos i-execute nila niya ang block of codes within the function. Now, how to create a function. So C++ provides some predefined functions such as main, which is used to execute code, but you can also create your own functions to perform certain actions. To create a function, specify the name of the function followed by a parenthesis. So this is the syntax of declaring a function. So void, tapos the name of the function and a parenthesis. Then curly brace and the code is inside. The code to be executed is inside here. Now, let's say an EO ascending. Signal natin void, tapos ascending. Tapos parenthesis, tapos an EO, block of codes, kaka din niyo didihit code to be executed. So, example, my function is the name of the function. Void means that the function does not have a return value. You will learn more about next chapter, which is function parameters. Inside a function, add the code, then define what the function should do. So, since yun na nga, void, and your loop statement doesn't have a return value. Alright, return x, return 0. So, pwede niyo yan as function. Now, how to call a function. So, declared functions are not executed immediately. They are saved for later use and will be executed later when they are called. To call a function, write the function's name followed by two parentheses and semicolon. So this is an example of let's I will share the sample presentation. Uh, so kikita niyo. So as you can see here, we have void, my function, and inside the block of code inside the function is see out I just get executed. Now here the function was called, and when run, when the line of code was run, automatic the output is this one. So let's try editing this. Let's try kung actually may edit talaga ito yan. So that's basically it. But there are more ways to do it. Let's say now before I continue, can I ask someone to answer if what do you think is anong napapansin niyo in regards to the code? Meron ba kayo na paro-pareho ba yat kung ano may laban niya na kikita nga kaparehos or kuan with pagtawag hit function?
Structure, sir.
Yes, that's one. So function is like structure, wherein structure is aadhagawas ni int main. But structurally what is pwede natin igsulod ha int main. Now he void is not literal like aanhilat niya dida. Pwede gyapon niya didi ubos. So kung tawagon tayo outro, uy, okay. Wait. So wait for a while. Okay. So it says here. Oh, so you can also do this one, wherein then kulang pala. Sorry. So, kung kanina, nakadila inihiya under here, but now, if declared the function, and this would be the definition of the function. So, if we call this again, output niya is magiging tulo nga function. So, there. Ang tawag nato nakatuluan function, so ibig sabihin nakatulo tayo gamita, then tuluan output. So, we have here a function declaration and definition. The C++ function consists of two parts, declaration and definition. Declaration is the return type, the name of the function, and the parameters kung may if any. Definition, the body of the function, code to be executed. So this is, and this one is, declaration, sorry. So there are two parts of a function, which is the declaration and the definition, wherein the declaration is this one, and parameters if any, and the definition, which is the body of the function, or the line or the block of code to be executed. So, ang kanina ko nga ginhimo is actually tanggalon tanganin niya. So, wala nang ginhimo kanina. Although, gin-declare tayo didi, ma-error talaga. Okay, the declaration of a function should be always at the top of the main. So, this is supposedly to be an introduction of functions. So, madagdit kita in function parameters, function overloading, and recursion. Recursion niya. Recursion. So far, questions, clarifications. You can go to W3 School 2 for an advanced rate para with atong discussion is madagmit na lang niyo maintindihan yan para ma-apply naton dayon. So introduction lang na kita yan. So far, what are your questions?
None, sir.
So how about the others? And supposedly ma-present yan. Labi na anwaray last meeting. Ano, ma-present ka mo? Dire. So,
Meeting na lang ako,
yung
sir.
dealing with ha?
Meeting na lang ako, kaya di ba, karawat ko palaan ko, tapos may promo pa, tujuan ko pa para dalo-dalo na makakatasun mo.
Okay, sige. So, again, when you are using a functions, you could put multiple line of to be executed codes there wherein katawagon lang niya. Now, this is necessary labi na akong papahimo ha iyo nga final output para di rin akong maghinilamang codes, or since ito nga specific block of codes is gonna be used or gonna be declared on other lines within your code, why not use it as a function para di rin ako mag-duplicate kin loops, conditional statements, since pareho man na pera function. So now, please be careful in using functions. Okay, once nga ginagamit kasi niyo it functions, there are necessities that are needed. Let's say the declaration for your data types, So please bear in mind that when you are using a function, it is only a block of codes. You are declaring the function, not the data types. Bangin kasi sa mga kala, sir, pero na sir. Ngayon, kay waring nga ang ka-declare an string or an int or an data type within the line of code. So, di ba niya nakikita an value or the variable? Klaro?
Sir, pwede ba ito maging duha ang data type pa sa loaded function? Like ano
A
sa
declaration inside a function. It's importante lang ako. Kung tawagan mo yung function, ang iyaging bibiling na declaration or variable or value is inside the int main. Exist ba na exist ito niya value as the representation inside the function. Naka-off man ngayon anak mo kanina pagkagising ako. Yan. So, have you seen my experimentation? Ano ako pag-explore ng codes kung nadara ba, kung kinanglan ba i-declare as a good or how the was? Kita ba niya? Okay, na, sorry.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ore kasi ko.
Yes, sir.
Ore kasi kasabot niya naka-off ngayon anak mic. So, hindi na ka nag-video. Ore ngayon may nabati. So, to the question of Maria, kung kinanglan mag-declare outside the function, so kinanglan mo kuan nga anhin declaration na sulod para ma-execute niya. So since this declaration is limited to the function only, ibig sabihin, pag function lang, makakagamit ito niya declaration. So if you want to declare here x, ayun ako pag x declare, bangin kasi mag-contradict niya. Pero that's still a theory. You can, let's say, sugaron ta. Ma-declare kita already dihin in x, tapos it what value is sigun ta 10. Amo tayo value. Tapos isi out tayo didi. Let's try kung dira mag-contradict kay may naman x didi tapos may pa x didi. See out x. So if you have questions in mind in regards to coding, try it first. Para kung hindi rin na niyo maintindihan, now you can initiate a question. So, okay, na nangyayos ganda. Ini, ay, nadara na yan. So, dari mo na i-egg pa po yan. Sir, kung mag-declare ka nga nga, tapos yung function nila naman same value, variable. Sa tingin mo, mag-contradict, dari. So, try anay para less time for you to know or bangin kasi sugada kung to confirm ko pa kaya po rin na kita magsayop yan. So now question so far,
Di ba po, sir, pwede ito i-change and void into mga data types?
actually you can